I just put a new motor in this guy. It's like twice the size. Replace that gear. Yeah. That's the old motor. Let's see what it does. Wow, that's really fast. I don't think it's any faster than the other motor that was in here, but this thing looks like it's burnt out. It was smelling like burnt the other day I was using it, but I don't know. I'm gonna put this together here quick. I need a little adapter for this guy. I'll put this cover back on first. Oh, the cover doesn't fit now. Oh, it does fit. Ooh, got lucky. Got lucky. Maybe the motor's got more torque. I don't know. I don't really understand how these things work. The motor's got more torque. Maybe the motor has more speed. No, because it's got one of those nice batteries in there. Lipo. Okay, now we just gotta connect this guy. I have a connector. Oh, the connector's in the basement. Oh shit, how would I ever find this? Yes. Yes, I do need this thing. What is going on here? What is this? I don't need that. I think I need a little bit more. Sleeve. You go in there. Where's my crimpers? Do these have crimpers on here? Not really. These aren't really crimpers. Where's my crimpers? Okay, this goes in here. This is too fucking loose. Okay, that's in. That's in. That's in. Oh wow. Oh. Oh yeah, I got it. Just can't see over there. Oh shit. Oh yeah. Oh, oh. Oops. Oh, not that one. Well, it works really, really well. Oh, yeah, it does really well. Oh, no, shit. Fuck. Well, that's that, I guess. I know it works.